Step into a workplace that feels fresh and inviting every day. Our local cleaning team in South Melbourne ensures your workspace is always at its best, offering flexible cleaning solutions tailored to your specific needs. Experience first-class cleaning services at an affordable rate. Our streamlined processes keep costs low and efficiency high, ensuring you receive competitive prices without compromising on quality. We use only safe, eco-friendly cleaning products, ensuring a healthy environment for your team. Our commitment to sustainability doesn't compromise on quality, making your workplace cleaner and greener. Discover how our green cleaning practices benefit both your workplace and the environment. By choosing us, you're supporting a cleaner planet without sacrificing the quality of your office space. We pass the savings from our efficient operations directly to you. Enjoy top-notch cleaning services that fit your budget, making us one of the most affordable options in South Melbourne. Ready to transform your office? Contact us for a tailored cleaning plan. Our friendly team is eager to provide an obligation-free quote, ensuring your office shines like never before. Join our growing list of satisfied clients in South Melbourne. By choosing us, you'll enjoy a spotless office environment that enhances productivity and impresses visitors. Take the next step towards a cleaner workplace today. Reach out to us for a customized cleaning solution that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations.